There are people making tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars from Polymarket every single month, but there are also horrible traders out there that are losing loads of money very consistently. So over the next few days, I am going to counter trade the absolute worst traders on Polymarket, buy the exact opposite of whatever they're buying and see how much money we can make or lose, and see if counter trading the worst traders and biggest losers on Polymarket is actually a profitable strategy. So I have created this AI bot with Claude Code, which basically scans 1,000 wallets every single day and gives me this report. So out of 1,000 wallets, 11 passed the filters, and it gave me these 11 wallets. Now I do have previous videos on how to make these sorts of AI bots, and we have an AI school community with full courses if you want to check it out. But essentially it gave me a very good list of wallets. For example, this one who's been fairly consistently losing money. This is another one which has for the past like 3 months also basically been down only. You have this guy who has lost very consistently, this guy as well. Here is another one. So theoretically, if you were to flip these charts upside down for the past few months, we would have been up tremendously. Now I'm gonna run this challenge for 3 or 4 days, counter trading all of their positions and seeing how much money we make or lose. Now do take into account that on Polymarket, a lot of people bet on markets that don't close for another month. So running a challenge like this for only a few days might not be fully realistic because we won't get to see all the markets actually close. Plus some of these horrible traders do also have good periods. For example, this guy who has lost 180,000 over the past year and been almost down only. If we look at only the past week, he's actually up $20,000. So even though I'm counter trading some of these bad traders, they might obviously have good periods and it might not be fully accurate. But with that said, how am I actually going to counter trade these people? Well, I am going to use Creo bot. Kreo is currently my favorite overall trading bot for Polymarket. They have this Telegram bot that looks like this. This is what their homepage looks like, and we are going to use the copy trading feature because here they actually have counter trading. So this takes the opposite side of every trade. If they buy yes, you buy no. This is a really interesting feature that we're going to be putting to the test, but they do also have basically the fastest normal copy trading bot out there as well if you want to actually copy profitable traders. And one thing I love about Creo is they have some really cool and unique features that other bots do not have. For example, if I go into crypto up and down markets on Bitcoin, for example, you actually have the option to open the live charts within Telegram. So here you can see live price updates on this Bitcoin up and down market, but you can do this on any market within the Telegram app on your phone, or in this case, the Telegram app on my computer. And you can trade while having the live charts open super easily. What I'm going to go ahead and do is set up some of these counter trading tasks, like this guy over the past year has been down only, the last month as well down only, and the last week he's also lost a lot of money. So this is one of the wallets that I will be counter trading. Plus I will be setting up some of these other wallets. Plus I'll run new AI scans every day to get even more wallets to analyze and potentially add into the challenge. I'll let it run for 3-4 days and we'll see if we end up making or losing money. Currently I have $212 in my account, but I will be adding another 300 and we shall be starting with exactly $500 in this challenge. Let it run and we'll see what happens. Now, if you want to sign up to Creo yourself, you can do so with my link down below and get 10% less fees on all your trades. Or if you just want to use normal Polymarket and you don't have an account, you can also sign up with my link down below to get less fees on the official Polymarket website. But with that said, let me set up these tasks and let it run for a day or two, and I will update you guys when this has been successfully running for a full 24 hours. Alright, so I ended up creating 5 different counter trading tasks, and so far it's honestly working incredibly well. So it's pretty funny to see these tasks because all of their P&Ls are like -6 figures. But if I go home and I check my positions, I started with exactly $500. Currently, our total position value is $460 with $80 available balance. It says P&L plus $30, but this basically means it's closer to $40 because I currently have $540 available. And this is my actual Kreo Polymarket profile, not the one I'm logged into, but the one I have searched up here. And as you can see, in the last day, we are $30 in the green, $460 in position value. Looking at some of these trades, it's been working so much better than I could ever imagine for the first 24 hours, because we're up like 7% probably on our entire portfolio in a single day, which is crazy returns. And some of these trades have done so well. So we're $50 deep into this trade, Israel strike on Yemen. That is currently up 7%. These 3 trades were amazing. We ended up winning 55%, $13 on this one, 56% and $17, and then 20% on $6 on this one. We're up 10% on these trades, 25% and $6 on this one, $5, $4. All of these small ones we won like 20% on, which is incredible. We have lost a few as well, but the losses are very small compared to our winnings. So we lost $6 on these and $12 on this one. But honestly, this is working so well. So here I have pulled up some of the wallets we ended up counter trading. This one has not done any trades since we started, but this guy ended up buying some very bad trades. For example, buying Lakers versus Thunder. He bought Lakers and Timberwolves for 13% and 23% chance. And if I go back to my profile, these are 2 bets that we ended up winning. These are these 2 trades that we won 20% on each. He also entered some of these other football or soccer trades that are not resolved yet, but this one has a very high likelihood of coming through as well. Now this next wallet has been trading some Bitcoin up and down markets, which we have also won on. So we won 10% on this Bitcoin up and down market. We won 25% on this Bitcoin up and down market. Now this next wallet as well, we have been doing the opposite. So he bought Korg Island no longer under Iranian control at a 9% chance. And if the Iranian regime will fall at a 2% chance. So I believe we're in those trades as well. Here you go. Here is the Iranian regime one, and here is the Korg Island one, which we have very good odds on as well. They're at 90 and 95% chance of happening. So this counter trading strategy has been working incredibly so far. I'm very happy with it. Currently we are counter trading 5 wallets, and they have done a brilliant job at making horrible trades so far, which is what this strategy obviously relies on. Now I will run my AI scan once more and potentially add another couple of wallets, but so far I am super happy. I'm gonna let this run for probably another 2 days before we wrap up the challenge, and I will catch up with you again once we have the final results. Alright, so this challenge has now been running for 3 full days, and this is my profile. Honestly, this challenge has gone way better than I expected, and as you can see, we have pretty much been profitable for the entire 3 days of running this challenge. There was a brief period here where we was down, but we managed to get it back. At the peak, we were up $76. And just like an hour ago, when I was gonna wrap this challenge up and record this ending, we were up like $50 almost. But then I did unfortunately see that right now, literally I think like 10 minutes ago, we lost $50 on a single bet, which should have been pretty safe. It had like 88% chance of basically winning, but we ended up losing that one, which sucks, which does mean that I think we ended up being down like $20 overall for these past 3 days. But honestly, this has been a really fun challenge because, like I said, I had never tried proper counter trading before. I didn't really look at it as a long-term, sustainable, profitable strategy. But after these 3 days, I have kind of changed my mind because, like I said, for the entire 3 days, this challenge has actually been fairly profitable. Like, this was a trade that came in this morning. We won 150% or $46 on this single trade, which is an incredible trade. So even though we realistically ended at like a $20 loss, overall, I'm super happy with this fun little experiment. The Creo counter trading bot worked insanely well. Just make sure that if you do it, you need to have the counter trading enabled as well as follow buys and follow sells enabled. Then it will always take the opposite side. If you only have counter trading enabled, it won't enter any trades. So you also need to have these two enabled. But if you want to do more normal copy trading, obviously only have follow buys and copy sells and don't enable this counter trading option. But if you want to try counter trading or copy trading, or basically just check out the best Polymarket trading bot on the market, make sure to check out Creo. Like I said, they have an incredible Telegram trading bot where you can also see live charts in the application. Plus they have this web app too, where they have live feeds. You can track smart wallets, see unusual activity, wallet tracker, alerts, bonds, etc. Plus they have bots for both Polymarket, like I showed you in this video, but you can also trade kalshi. So this basically covers both of the two biggest prediction markets. And when you use the link down below, you do get 10% less fees on all of your trades. But also, if you just want to sign up to Polymarket, also check out the link down below to get less fees on the official Polymarket site. And if you want to see more challenge videos like this, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions or any future videos you want to see, let me know in the comments or join my Telegram and ask me or tell me in there. Also, if you're looking for the best crypto exchange out there, sign up to Kraken down below for a $10 welcome bonus. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.